Page 48. We got two pieces here. We'll do them both. Right there in G and left turn in G. At the top of the page, they're introducing you to the 6 tones or the 6-note scale, the blues scale. This time it's starting with a G. We've already had the scale starting with a C. Now we're getting the blues scale starting with a G. So G, watch the fingering. And you think, wait a minute, G major has an F sharp. But remember, with the blues scale, we're going to lower that 7th a half. These are blues notes. We're lowering them down. So we're using other notes instead. Just introducing you to the scale. And that's what these things are doing. The right there in G, the right hand gets to do its thing with the scale, and in the left turn in G, the left hand gets to do its thing with the scale. And that's pretty much it. So just watch their fingerings and watch the accidentals, and it shouldn't be a problem. I want to stay within the blues style. So I'm going to play the 8th notes long, short, long, short. So in the first measure, it's written this way. I'm going to play it this way. I'm going to do that with both of these on this page. I'm playing them in a blues style. We'll pretend that you've learned it. You know these pieces. Now you're ready to just check your notes and rhythms with me. So play them with me really, really slowly. They're slow pieces anyway, but I want to go slower than that. So I'll give us 4 counts. This is a 4/4 time. This is going to be right there in G. Hands, hand, okay. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. Repeat. Rest. Let's try left turn in G. I'll give us 4 counts. Right hand here, left hand here. 1, 2, and ready and go, and 1. Repeat. I'd like to do the acoustic jamming at the bottom with you. And with this, you can play either of these. And remember to repeat, or what you can do if you'd rather, is play each one time. Because I'm going to repeat the acoustic jamming so you have time to play right there in G and then immediately go down and do left turn in G if you want to. If you can do it that way too. So I'll give us 4 counts. So go ahead and put your hand where they go. And here we go. I'm going to speed this up a bit because now we're kind of performing it. 1, 2, and ready and go. And 1.